What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to answer a question that I've been getting so much lately is, what is your strategy when it comes to Amazon FBA? I can't find any profitable items. Everything that I scan is restricted. Walmart, Target, the big box stores don't sell anything that is worth buying. What is your strategy? So I want to answer that question for you guys right now. So before I get into the video, first, just hit that thumbs up button if you really want me to do more Amazon FBA videos. I've been doing them, kind of, here and there. It's been, hit and miss. But the reason why I'm thinking about getting back into doing more videos on it is because more people have been asking the questions. So if you want more videos on Amazon FBA, hit that thumbs up button and I'll start doing some. So let's jump into the video. So right here, this is a toy, okay? It's a toy, it's a game, whatever you want to call it. It's technically still a toy. This game right here is called Las Vegas the Vegas Dice Game, and it's brand new, still sealed, still in the. You can still see the sticker. Anyway, I bought this from Target about 3 weeks ago, somewhere around there. Forgot to ship it off, but I ended up buying this about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I bought this for like $5.84, $5.90, about $6. Let's just say $6. Let me show you something. Now I'm gonna get to my strategy in just a second. Right here, you can see this. Here's the toy. Okay, it's currently selling for $69.95. Okay, if we come down here, we can kind of see the history of it. This is a Keepa graph. You can get it as a Chrome extension if you use Google Chrome. But you can see right here. Let's go to the 1 month. Okay, and again, I'm gonna show you my strategy in just a second and why I even picked up this game. Because for one, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, right about here, it was ranked 80,000. It was selling. It wasn't like a hot item, but it was selling. Okay, that's why I picked it up. Okay, because I knew this was probably gonna sell probably about 5 a month, 5 to 10 a month. Okay, and that was even over Christmas time. So you can see right here, it's, I know it's gonna sell. All right. So this item, you can actually find it from Walmart. You can see Walmart right up here. There it is. From Walmart for $9.22 if you can find it. Currently it's out of stock online and shipping is not available. So the reason why I picked up this game and my whole strategy behind it, which is actually very simple, is I picked this up for $6. Even if I can sell it for $15, I still make a profit. I will buy anything as long as I'm going to make 30% ROI. So if that means I buy something for $10, then my 30% ROI, which stands for return on investment, is $3. So if I buy something for $10 and it's a little bit bigger like this, I have to sell it for about $21 to $22 to make my $3 to $4 profit. Okay, simple. So what is my strategy? Let me show you. Here's my strategy. Let me explain. I know it just looks like a bunch of numbers, but it actually makes sense to me. So let me explain. Right here, these are, I put 8+, but we're just gonna go with the number 8. So if these are all individual items, every single square on this is an individual item. Okay, so one item here, one there, one there, one there. You get the point. My average buy cost of $10 would mean if I bought 8 items, right here, it would be a buy cost of $80. If I made 30% ROI, that means they would be selling for whatever they're selling for, but I get $13 back. I made $3 profit. Okay, so total for 8 items would be $104. So a total profit of $24 buying 8 items at $10 that only yield a 3% or a 30% profit margin. And before you ask, that profit, the $10 buy cost, let's just assume that includes taxes. Let's just assume that everything is free as far as shipping and stuff like that. Obviously not the Amazon FBA fees. For this item right here, it would probably cost me about 30 to 40 cents to ship it to Amazon. So it's not gonna be a lot, but it does all add up. So for the sake of this video, for the sake of showing you what my strategy is, let's just assume it didn't cost me a single thing, all right? But yes, it normally does cost about 30 cents. So let's just say that these are all in toys, all right? So let's just say at 8 a month, it's at, I don't know, we'll just, let's just say it's at the current sales rank at 8 a month, okay? If you don't know how to read a sales rank chart, you can go watch another video. You can go look at Keepa, go to junglescout.com/estimator, and that will kind of give you an idea. Let me show you what it looks like. This right here is the Jungle Scout Estimator. It's a free tool to use, Amazon Sales Estimator. Put in your sales rank, you choose your market, and you pick your category, okay? Obviously, we're doing it in toys, but so if I did that, okay, and I chose my category, I can choose whatever category and hit calculate sales. I'm not going to do that for this video, but you guys can do it. Again, here is the link, junglescout.com/estimator. So let's just assume this is a toy at whatever rank it is at right now. It sells 8 a month, okay? Here's it is at selling 4 a month. Here it is again at 4 a month. Here it is selling only 1 a month, right? Here's the reason why my business is not as clear-cut and as simple as many people believe Amazon FBA is. A lot of the items I buy are anywhere between these, okay, between the 30 and 50%. That is the majority. That is the bulk of my income. That is the bulk of my products that I source. And this is specifically with online arbitrage and retail arbitrage. With wholesale, I am closer from 50 to 80%. For private labels, anywhere from 80 to 250, okay? That is the profit margins. As far as how many sell per month, that varies. So, with that out of the way, this is item 1, this is item 2. Item 2 makes less profit, however, it costs me less money to buy. But I was making more ROI. My return on investment was higher, so I ended up making just a little bit less with half the buy cost. Here, I made 80% ROI, only sold 4 items, okay? Again, average buy cost at $10. That means I spent $40, I sold it for $72 and made $32 profit. If I sold 1 item, okay, and this was only 1 item, and granted, I would probably buy something that is more expensive than $10 if it's only going to sell 1. But let's say I bought it for $10. It sells 250% ROI. That means it sells for $25. Okay, and I make, as far as what I get back. Okay, and then I make $15 profit. Let me clarify this. Okay, the buy cost is $10, so it's right there. I did not calculate what it sells for actually on Amazon. I just calculated what it sold for, including my purchase price plus the ROI, which is 30, 50, 80, and 250. Hopefully that makes sense. Now you're probably wondering, now why wouldn't I just buy a bunch of items that are 100% or higher? Well, the reason why is because they're not as, you can't find them as frequently as the items that are only making 30 to 50% ROI. And that's the reason why the bulk of my income, the majority of my inventory, is between the 30 and 50% ROI range. Now, my strategy is not to make 1 sale and make $1 million. My strategy is to make, 1 million sales and make $1 million. If I have to make a dollar per sale, that's what it's going to take. But the longevity of the business, it's going to be more consistent. You look at stores like Costco and Walmart, they have really tight margins, but they have a lot of money. They have a lot of sales. So there's other places out there that don't get a lot of sales, but they make a lot of money for that 1 sale. So, do you want to go that route, or would you rather go the route that's more consistent, where you get more sales every single day, and you don't have those big swings that go up and down? And that's what I decided to do. I went for the lower margins because it was more consistent. I can find those products easier. There's not as many people jumping on those things. And the likelihood of the price going up and down is very small. That's why I stick to that. So let's just assume, okay, well, not assume, but if I did have a buy cost of $10, mine is more than double that right now, okay? And I highly recommend you buy stuff that's more than $10 because you make more money. It's going to be a little bit better for your business, and it's going to be less stress on you because you have to do less work to make a little bit more money. So if 17 items sold, these 17 items right here, at $5.35 per unit average profit, because that is a $91 profit right here. That would be my average profit, $5.35. So to make $5 per unit on a product is really good, especially average. Average $5 per product. That is good, because if you're able to source 100 products per month and that's what sells, you're making $535 every single month. If you do 1,000, obviously you can do the math, okay? Over $5,000 profit every single month. It's pretty simple to scale your business once you understand this. Once you understand your average profit per unit. And that's what I try to stress to people, is don't just look at the big picture. Oh, I need to get 500 items this month, because if I have 500 items and they're all 100% profit or 100% ROI, that means I make a lot of money. I just got to spend more money to make more money. Well, in some cases you do, but if you don't understand your numbers, that's where you're going to struggle. And that's where most people end up failing, is because they don't understand how much profit they're really making. If they're making none, then why would you continue the business? So the last thing I want you to understand about my Amazon FBA strategy is it takes a lot of time. Okay, I didn't just start this business. I've been running this business for 3 or 4 years. 4 years, maybe coming up 5, I don't know. It's been a while, but I've been running this business for a while, and it's been doing extremely well. I still do retail arbitrage, I still do online arbitrage, I still do wholesale, and I still do private labeling. The one thing I don't really do anymore is I don't do liquidation lots, because I don't sell as much on eBay. But if you want to get into retail arbitrage or online arbitrage, I highly recommend you use Amazon FBA, but also dabble with eBay. It's going to bring in a little bit of income. That little bit of income is going to help build your Amazon FBA business, and that's exactly what you want to do. Build a business that's sustaining, that can make you money, that can pay your bills, that can let you live the life that you really want and deserve. And that's what you need. So if you guys have any questions on how to run an Amazon FBA business, any questions on my strategy, let me know. I'll try to answer them the best I can. Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos on Amazon FBA, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, everything that has to do with Amazon FBA, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.